Hello and happy Kwanzaa. In this video, I am sharing with you guys some footage from a recent day one Kwanzaa event that my husband and I recently attended in Atlanta. If you're new to the channel, I am Allison, and on the channel, I provide holistic health and wellness um, tips and suggestions to Black women over the age of 50 to empower them to live the life that they desire and deserve, obtain optimal health, and age gracefully. A little bit about Kwanzaa if you're not familiar with it. Kwanzaa is an Pan African and African American holiday that's celebrated. That's celebrated starting December the 26th for 7 days, and it celebrates the history, values, family, community, and culture of people of African descent. And as I mentioned earlier, it runs for 7 days, and each day is dedicated to one principle. There are a total of 7 principles. And on day one is devoted to Ujama. And Ujama basically means unity. I'll include the official website for Kwanzaa so that you can learn more about what Kwanzaa is all about, the founder, the history of Kwanzaa, and find out if there are any Kwanzaa events in your area. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please share with others. It's very important that those of us of African descent learn more about what Kwanzaa is. And also in the comment section, if you can please, if you celebrate Kwanzaa, please just share and let me know how you guys celebrate Kwanzaa. And in case you're wondering, as I mentioned earlier, that this channel is all about holistic health and wellness for Black women over the age of 50. And holistic health is not just about what we eat and exercise, it's about the whole person, it's about the whole woman. So it's very important that we get out, we connect, we enjoy ourselves, we find things to bring us joy and add to our lives. So attending an event like Kwanzaa is one great way of improving your overall health and well-being. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and please share it with others. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
And I love my sister Rosa Paul when I sit at the back of that bus. I love Matt Turner for his courageous heart, and I love Louis Farrakhan for that Million Man March. I love my girl Sojourner, who ain't nothing but the truth. And I love Alex Haley for reminding me of my roots. And I love my Heavenly Father who forgives me all my sins. And if He could make me over, I would be black again. Black woman, pick up your crown. It's been waiting for you since birth. It will unlock all of your hidden treasures and validate your worth. Black woman, pick up your crown and stand tall and erect. The weight that it bears will strengthen your shoulders, back, and neck. Black woman, pick up your crown so that the world can clearly see who God chose to be the vessel to give birth to humanity. Black woman, pick up your crown and hold it tightly against your chest and take a moment to reflect on your victory and give your soul a rest.
sure am.
Are you learning anything?
Yes, I got the crib right next to in front of me.
Happy Kwanzaa.